Okay, here we are with segment 4 of our social media campaign. And what we're going to do this time is, last time we talked about the Astro Baffle, the item that makes my lawnmower quieter than anyone else's. But it's not a bad idea, even if that's the thing that the customer might care about more, to introduce another item for them to consider, even if it's not the primary item. So in this case, I'm going to talk this time about the hardened bolts that I use in the manufacturing of our lawnmowers. These hardened bolts mean that the lawnmower, even though it is the quietest one, is also going to last a long time. You're not going to have wheels falling off, you're not going to have things breaking. You'll make that investment in that quiet lawnmower and it's going to last a long time. This gives the effect of allowing the viewer of these posts to not only feel good that they may have found the quietest lawnmower, which is what they're looking for, but it gives them some extra value that helps reinforce that they're making a smart decision. If you would like content like this for you or your business, call, text, or email me.